and welcome back to my channel, and welcome back to another cleaning motivation video. Today I am tackling 5 tasks that take 5 minutes or under, and I am just going to check them off, and I am going to pop some really good cleaning motivation music on for you so you can clean along with me. The video should be about 10 minutes, so if you have 2 tasks that you need to tackle today that are 5 minutes or under, then here is your chance to do so. Take me around on your phone, your iPad, or pop me on your TV and we can clean together. So I'm going to share with you those 5 tasks. So I'm going to change Will's sheets, vacuum Will's floor, clean the living room windows, fold some washing, and pop a load of washing on. Now, let's get cleaning.
Right next to me. Let's say I let you buy me dinner. Let's say I let you meet my friends. Let's say I let you have my number. Well, I guess this time I didn't stand a chance. Oh no, I am not in love, no. He was nothing but a city boy. Nothing but a city boy. So what? Now. Nothing but a city boy. Let's say I miss you when I'm tipsy. Let's say I think about you once or twice. Let's say I want you to want me.
Mentioned in my last video that I had been waiting for this lint remover to arrive. I saw it on Amy Darley's video, and I will link it below for you, but it's awesome, it's great, and I'll definitely have a link for you below. I would love you to let me know down below, how often do you actually wash the duvet covers and the quilt covers? I used to wash them every time in the wash, but I found that it wore them out. So I have been doing this every 2 to 3 weeks now, because the actual cover doesn't touch your body and the sheet does. I just thought I'm kind of washing it for no reason, but I would love to know when and how often do you wash your cover.
He was nothing but a city boy. Nothing but a city boy. He was nothing but a city boy. Nothing but a city boy. So what? Now. Nothing but a city boy. So what? Now. Nothing but a city boy.
And hello, if this is your first time on watching any of my videos. As I mentioned, I'm a mum to 3 gorgeous children, and we are renovating our home here in Queensland, Australia, and I document that on my Instagram page, which I will pop up on the screen here. And we have just finished our ensuite, which is behind me there with the shiplap wall, and I just need to paint it, and then there will be a room reveal coming your way. But if you'd like a sneaky peek, then definitely head on over to my Instagram account. And I would love for you to join my YouTube family, so please make sure you do click that subscribe button before you leave today. And if you have been following along for some time, thank you. I really do appreciate it. And I always like to comment to you guys, so please make sure you comment today and we can have a chat in the comments below.
Everybody, can you feel the groove? Grab somebody, let it go. Ooh, everybody, can you feel the groove? Grab somebody, let it go. Ooh, everybody, grab somebody. Everybody, grab somebody.
One day eventually we will be replacing the windows and the door in this living room, and we will be changing them into beautiful French doors, but that is right down the end of our DIY list. So until then, this is what we have. I'm not a big fan of the green, but it is a beautiful view that I get to look out at. So that is what I try to focus on more than the fact that they're green. Maybe one day Chris will kindly paint them for me until we replace them, but I don't think that's going to happen.
Tonight we're running on the right track. I know we never gonna look back. Oh, I just wanna have a good time. Call me whatever, 'cause I'm up for anything like that. Oh no, we don't wanna do slow-mo, so tonight we just let go. To the beat in the streets, every freak out singing like.
Much for watching, guys. I hope this gave you all the motivation that you need today, and if it was the first time you have watched one of my videos, I would love for you to stick around and click that subscribe button, hit the bell notification so you don't miss out on any future videos of mine. And if you would like to go and follow me on Instagram, I will link that below as well. But I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.